Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick lunchbox recipe. It's called Podi rice. Very easy and fast to make. So I'm going to take a pan and put around 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, to that I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Once this starts spluttering, I'm going to put a little bit of hing, curry leaves and podi powder, around 2 tablespoons. Give it a nice mix, and to this we are going to just put pre-cooked rice. Mix it well. I'm also going to add around 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using basmati rice here. You could use any other rice that is readily available, any cooked rice. You could also refer to a quick rice in microwave recipe. It's the fastest way to get fluffy rice. And just let it cook for a while. Stirring it occasionally. And that's it. We're going to garnish it with some fresh coriander. And our podi rice is ready.